Today's tip of the week is called the 3 T's and the 3 C's of knowing why your channel isn't working. Okay, so when I'm working with my clients and they come to me and say, I'm putting up these great videos, or I'm putting up all these regular videos and they're just not getting anything. So here's a quick way to tell why you're not getting any feedback or engagement or views. Okay, so the first tip is the 3 T's. If you're not getting any views, if nobody's coming, the reason is more than likely the 3 T's. The thumbnail, the title, and the tags. If that's the case, then all you have to do is change a couple of things. If you have the Tubebuddy Legend account, it will help you do A/B testing. And if you need Tubebuddy to be your best friend for YouTube, then the link is down below to save up to 50% if you order Tubebuddy through here. But just remember, when they're not coming in with any views, you put something out and you're not getting the views, don't go looking for what you did wrong. Don't think you did anything wrong. You just have to correct one or all of those things. And if you don't have Tubebuddy, all you have to do is maybe change the thumbnail and see if it works better, or change the title and see if it works better, or add some appropriate tags. Okay? Second tip is if they're coming and you're getting views, but no engagement. That means they're not subscribing, they're not sharing it, they're not commenting. That will be the 3 C's. And the 3 C's stand for content, content, content. It means you're not holding on to their attention. So all you have to do is know when they're dropping off, what you're saying, and what you could do differently. This is all able to be found in the analytics section. If you don't know how to read the analytics section, then come on by to one of our groups and ask questions during our office hours, or join us at the Senior Tuber Circle if you want to know more on how to make a better video. I'm Fran Asaro. I'm the founder of the Senior Tuber community, and I hope that you're finding these tips helpful for you and your channel, and we're here if you need some support. Thank you.